Hello students, good morning. Today in this class we are going to learn our previous class chapter number 14, that is unity in diversity. In this previous class we have already discussed that you need diversity matlab differences or we can say variation, and we have other variation on diversity in our tradition, religion, cloth, at your food, festival, language, etc. Okay, and still we have variation but still we have unity, and that is very important feature and very important characteristic of India. Unity in diversity. In this class we are going to learn the next topic, that is effort of diversity and equality. which kind of efforts मतलब कौन कौन से हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं वो डाइवर्सिटी एंड इक्वलिटी, ताकि डाइवर्सिटी भी मेंटेन रहे एंड इवन वी हैव द इक्वलिटी. इक्वलिटी मीन्स ऑल आर इक्वल अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. All the people those who were living in India, they have equal right. Okay, they have equal right to follow and all the things are equal. So we have to learn about the efforts for diversity and even equality. कौन कौन से efforts हुए हैं ताकि equality and diversity maintain रहे, that we have seen. So various types of diversity are seen in our country, that we have already discussed, that in language, in tradition, in cloth, your food, festival, customs, dance, from and all that things. Discrimination is due to this variation. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मतलब होता है भिन्न भिन्न तरह के व्यवहार होना या पार्सलिटी होना. Then we are saying unity in diversity in our country. Because of this variation we have discrimination मतलब भेदभाव होती है. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिच एंड पुअर मतलब कौन कौन से बेस में भेदभाव है. So generally rich and poor, that is a main factor. You know very well that rich are treated ills and even the poor, those who are like poor category, and they treated different way. Then there is a discrimination between male and female. We are telling that male and female both are equal, but still we have discrimination between men and women. लिटरेट एंड इलिटरेट मतलब जो पढ़े लिखे हैं वो और जो पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं वो. इन दैट वी हैव डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. देन अर्बन रूरल, अर्बन एरिया मतलब सिटी एरिया एंड रूरल एरिया मतलब विलेज एरिया and remote village area and caste are seen in our country. So caste also we have the different caste. Okay, like open, general, ST, SC, OBC, and so many others caste are there. So because from here also the question in there, which kind of discrimination we find in India. So the discrimination on the basis of rich and poor, male and female, literate and illiterate, urban and rural, and even caste are seen in our country. So किसी को भी ये पार्सलिटी है. So the ancient time means in the olden time we call structure and occupation based Varna system. We will learn the Varna system in chapter number 4. Okay, in Gautam Buddha and even Mahavir Swami, that in the olden time the social structure was depend on the Varna system. Four Varnas are there. They are Kshatriya, Vaishnava, Sudra and Brahman. So accommodating in the Varna system, the social structure was formed, and those who belong to Sudra category, we have already discussed untouchability provision was there. Untouchability means not touch to anything, and when they passing from the road, they have to use the broom. Okay, तो ताकि उन लोगों की जो फुटप्रिंट होती है nobody can able to see. And basically in the ancient time people and social structure was formed to the varna system, and four varnas are there. Due to these many groups remained backward socially and economically. इतना ज़्यादा मगजमारी थी वर्ण सिस्टम एंड ऑल दैट थिंग्स जिसकी चलते बहुत सारे ग्रुप एकदम से बैकवर्ड रह गए। विच वे तो सोशल एंड एज वेल एज इकोनॉमिकली। हेंस डिफरेंस बेस्ड ऑन कास्ट इनटू एक्सटेंस, और धीरे धीरे करके ये बेस्ड ऑन कास्ट एक्सटेंड होता गया। मोस्ट ऑफ द लिटरेट पीपल अर्न मोर, सो देयर लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड इज हाई। जो लिटरेट पीपल थे वे डेफिनेटली स्पेशली थे ब्राह्मण पीपल, आर दे ओके लिटरेट थे, तो वो ज़्यादा अर्न करते थे। तो अर्न करेंगे ज़्यादा, जिसकी वजह से उन लोगों की क्या होती थी, लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड जो होती थी वो काफ़ी हाई फाई होती थी। And we can see same things, those who have the good job, their living of standard is very high, and those who are very poor, they are living in high, they are living in slum area. So we can see the differences, okay, in present time also. They maintain repeated status in the social, मतलब उनका status high था। Difference based of literate and illiterate can be also seen, and we have the difference between the literate as well as illiterated people also. Most of the people in India are living in the rural area, because that's why it is saying that nearby 64 percentage which people are connected with the farming, and almost all the people, most of the people are living in the rural area, means village area, backward area or remote village or urban people are quite less as compared to the rural people. And if you are talking about urban people, are those who are living in the cities, they are quite less, मतलब ज़्यादा people कहाँ के रहने वाले होते हैं, रूरल एरिया में रहने वाले होते हैं। अर्बन की स्ट्रेंथ है तो थोड़ी कम है, बट आई don't think so that present we have that kind of ratio due to major differences in the living standard. Difference have been a rise in the rural and urban areas, that we can see, because most people, those who were living in the urban as well as those who are living in the rural area, the lifestyle are changed, the facilities are also changed, so that definitely even the status is changed, the facility is changed. So we have the difference among the rural as well as urban people. Since right to equality is given to in our constitution, after independence untouchability is removed. Now this right to equality, that is very important. All are equal, okay, that is given in our constitution with all the people those were living in India, rather he or she is president or prime minister or a poor people, okay, those were living in slum area, they all are equal in the seat of constitution. constitution मतलब हमारी जो संविधान है वो, ओके, सो ऑल आर इक्वल एंड अनटचेबिलिटी इज रिमूव्ड। आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, अनटचेबिलिटी विच was preformed with a Sudra people to untouchability है, वो क्या होती है, जो रिमूव हो गई है। एंड दैट टाइम क्या होता था कि दे कैन गो ऑन द टेम्पल, दे डोंट ड्रिंक वाटर ऑन द पब्लिक प्लेस। तो ये सारी जो अनटचेबिलिटी वाला था वो अभी क्या हो गया है, रिमूव। नाउ द राइट टू इक्वलिटी इज granted to everybody, so all the people get equal opportunity to justice and status. I have already told you that right to equality means all are equal, and that's why they all are getting equal opportunity, even justice, मतलब अंदर जो स्टेटस है, दे ऑल आर इक्वल। RTE has given the right to free and compulsory education to children, so everybody has got the opportunity to primary education. Now this RTE, so that is very important, full form of RTE is right to education, okay, right to education is the full form of RTE, which was started on 1st April 2010. Okay, and in Gujarat, it is applicable in 2012. So when it is what started on 1st April 2010, but in Gujarat में कब एप्लीकेबल हुआ तो ये 2012 में. एंड राइट टू एजुकेशन इन द एक्ट द स्टूडेंट्स आर द चिल्ड्रेन अप टू 6 to 14 को कंपलसरी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन दिया जाना चाहिए विच इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ RTE, राइट टू एजुकेशन. दैट मीन्स 6 to 12 ईयर्स के जो स्टूडेंट्स यानी चिल्ड्रेन होंगे उनको कंपलसरी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन की राइट है. एजुकेशन व्हाट इज़ द पर्पस टू लाइक अ फ्लिप्ड और रेशियो ऑफ द एजुकेशन एजुकेटेड पीपल. तो ये स्टार्ट हुआ राइट टू एजुकेशन के अंतर्गत. एंड राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन मतलब कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग ले सकते हैं. गवर्नमेंट हैज़ इन्हेंस्ड द एजुकेशनल एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल facilities like village road, primary health center, electricity, drinking water, etc. for the community development. So it is also very important to development in community. Which kind of infrastructural was developed to infrastructural was developed like village road, primary health center, electricity, drinking water. ये सारे जो फैसिलिटीज़ हैं वो गवर्नमेंट इम्प्रूव करती है. इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर ग्रांटेड टू वुमेन अकॉर्डिंग टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजन so that their honor and respect can be maintained. Even the girls or women get also the equality. What is the reason for the honor and respect की के लिए जो मेंटेन रहे, इसलिए जो वुमेन हैं वो उन लोगों को भी इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाती. बट स्टिल वी हैव लाइक्स discrimination in men and women because in getting constitutional right people follow their own religious speed, their own language, celebrate on festival. Discrimination is decreasing after the independence. और इंडिपेंडेंस मिलने के बाद ये जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है वो धीरे धीरे कम होने लगी है. स्टिल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज देयर बट जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट में इक्वलिटी है उसका क्या हुआ. दैट पीपल कैन फॉलो देयर ऑन रिलीजन. दैट इज़ द सेकुलर कंट्री. जो चाहिए और रिलीजन हम फॉलो कर सकते हैं. हमारी खुद की लैंग्वेज हम बोल सकते हैं बट लैंग्वेज आर रिस्पेक्टफुली होनी चाहिए. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक बेड वर्ड्स ऑल दैट थिंग्स. देन सेलिब्रेट देयर ऑन फेस्टिवल. हम लोग अपनी फेस्टिवल भी सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं. एंड जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन की रेशियो है वो क्या हुआ, डिक्रीज हुआ. व्हेन सो आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस सम सीट्स आर केप्ट रिजर्व फॉर द पीपल ऑफ सर्टन कास्ट इन द इलेक्शन ऑफ ग्राम पंचायत और पार्लियामेंट. और जो सीट है इलेक्शन प्रोसेस हैं ओके उसमें भी सेपरेट सीट रखी जाती है. समथिंग इज कंसिडर्ड इन द मैटर फॉर जॉब ऑल्सो. राइट नाउ ऑल्सो वी हैव द रिजर्व सीट फॉर ST SC OBC. ओके हॉस्टल स्कॉलरशिप एंड schemes of financial assistance for the student are implemented so all that can get the opportunity for the further development in social economical cultural and political. social economic cultural and political field में डेवलपमेंट हो इसलिए एजुकेशन की जो फैसिलिटीज़ है उसमें ग्रो किया गया. एंड in among that hostel scholarship are also provided by the government. Some conditions are there. Those who are belonging to ST SC and another category than poor category में है जो SC हैं OBC हैं दे आर गेटिंग द स्कॉलरशिप फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट। व्हाट इज द रीज़न? ताकि वो लोग एजुकेशन ले सके और फाइनेंशियल जो सपोर्ट करने के है वो गवर्नमेंट इज गिविंग द scholarship. Then comes important topic, discrimination between girls and boys. So discrimination मतलब differences होना, अलग अलग होना between girls and boys. In which condition? Which are the main factors for that we have the discrimination between girls and boys? Even we are saying that girls are like boys only in the equal right, but still we can see the discrimination. So which are the discrimination? So let's see, not only in India but also in the world, women play a major role as resource of national development. So from here also the question is there that who play a major role as a resource in national development. So women play important role in the national development. Due to the biological differences with a social and cultural viewpoint, there is a difference in the upbringing of boys and girls. So we find difference in their development also. बायोलॉजिकल मतलब जो हमारे जेंडर हैं वो, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो चेंज बिटवीन मेल एंड फीमेल। इसलिए जो गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़ का अपब्रिंगिंग है मतलब अप ऊपर लाना है, डेवलप कराना है, इसमें क्या देखने को मिलता है? डिफरेंस देखने को मिलता है। इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट जेंडर, so you know very well male and female, so they have the different living style. As a male they have the different living style, female has different living style. Their clothes, job and all the things are different. So we have today majority of women remain engaged in cooking, household chore and upbringing children. Discrimination, majority of women those who are living in India, they are not doing any kind of job and all kids kinds of things. Majority women are connected with the household chore, मतलब हाउसहोल्ड वर्क, रूटीन वर्क है उनकी घर के अंदर अलग अलग जो होती है। सो दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग एंड अपब्रिंगिंग द चिल्ड्रेन, जो बच्चों के केयर करते हैं, ज़्यादातर वुमेन इंगेज्ड हैं इंडिया के अंदर। Women don't have importance to take decision regarding family matter, that is also still able to see in our country. Generally the male are taking the decision as the family matter are concerned. कोई भी family matter है, women have not to right to take the decision. Girls are deprived of health care, education and economic rights, so they are डिप्रिव्ड होना मतलब बॉयज़ की कंपेयर में दे आर कौन कौन से चीज़ें में, कौन कौन से थिंग्स में वो हैं, वो डिप्राइज हैं। वो हेल्थ केयर में हैं, एजुकेशन में हैं या तो इकोनॉमिक राइट्स हो। गर्ल्स आर नॉट गिवन equal opportunities in the field of sports and even education. They are deprived of moving freely and thinking independently. They cannot even treated equal. They cannot move freely means they are deprived. रेट जो जाना है, रात को अगर कहीं जाना है तो गर्ल्स कैन नॉट गो, बॉयज़ कैन गो। दैट is we can see discrimination. Thinking independently, girls cannot think independently, they have to think like dependently. We have discussed that the majority of decisions are taken by the male or boys, they are not even treated equal like boy, so that is the thing, so they cannot move freely। कहीं पे भी जाना हो तो दे नॉट गो। इफ दे वी इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट थिंकिंग, सो दे आर लाइक डिफरेंट, दे कैन नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट। गर्ल्स विक्टिम, विक्टिम्स का मतलब होता है सफ़र होना या शिकार होना। चाइल्ड मैरिज, प्रथा सिस्टम, डाउरी सिस्टम एंड other evil custom because of low literacy rate, still we have like अभी भी क्या होता है, जो चाइल्ड मैरिज है वो सोसाइटी से गई नहीं है। राजस्थानी फैमिली जो होती है या मारवाड़ी फैमिली doing child marriage. Then Pradha system. So what is Pradha system? The women they cannot come to front of male. मतलब घर में कोई मेल है तो उनके सामने वुमेन नहीं आती है, उनको क्या करना होता है, फेस को कवर करना होता है, करके रखना होता है. देन डाउरी सिस्टम प्रिवेंटिंग इन प्रेजेंट टाइम. व्हाट इज डाउरी सिस्टम? आफ्टर गेटिंग द मैरिज गर्ल्स को बॉयज़ की फैमिली में ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दे हैव टू प्रोवाइड. मतलब गर्ल्स की फैमिली से सारी चीज़ें दिया जाता है, इन लॉज की फैमिली में दी जाती है. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बहुत सारे सुसाइड के केस देखने को मिलते हैं. These types of evils customs we are facing because of लो लिटरेसी. मतलब हमारी जो एजुकेशन की लेवल है वो काफ़ी लो है. ब्रदर बर्थ ऑफ बॉयज इज गिवन प्रेफरेंस, सो गर्ल्स बिकम विक्टिम्स ऑफ फीमेल 45. मतलब अबॉर्शन कराना. व्हेन बॉयज आर बर्थ दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग, distributing sweets, and the birth of girl is not important. This number of females in various fields show the discrimination between male and female clearly, and we have see clearly difference between male and female. With the rising level of education, the discrimination is generally disappearing. And when it is possible, when our thinking is changed, our mentality will get changed, and even the education level will get a rise. At that time only we can change this kind of discrimination, and we have the equal right. Rather we are saying and we are celebrating women's day and all that things, but we are not giving the respect to the women. And that's why we have the discrimination between boys and girls, and according to the gender, also thinking, also moving freely, and all that things we have discrimination. And it will like this applying when we have the rising level of education, thinking, mentality, we get change. At that time we have this kind of discrimination. I hope it is clear to you.